my back pocket is Sam Cooke singing on the radio. You say that I'm the boy who could make it all come true. Let me tell you that I don't know if I know what to do. You say it's alright, hold tight. Well, I don't even know if I'm doing this right. Well, alright, hold tight. We could stay out all day, or we could run around all night. Well, alright, hold tight. Well, it's time to go home, and I ain't even done with the night.
I'm videotaping.
Yeah, I know. Is that going to go on your site, or is that for your personal collection?
I'm gonna want to post it on the.
Don't know no cool rhyme.
That's a good idea. We don't want people to know what
Frustration. I know it's burning you deep down inside. You say that I'm the boy who could make it all come true. Let me tell you that I don't know if I know what to do. You say it's alright, hold tight. Well, I don't even know if I'm doing this right. Well, alright.
Not how your traditional flood victims behave.
Or we could run around all night. Well, alright, hold tight. Well, it's time to go home, and I ain't even done with the night. Ain't even done with the night. Hold tight. Well, I don't even know if I'm doing this right. Well, alright, hold tight. We could stay out all day, or we could run around all night. Well, alright, hold tight. Well, it's time to go home, and I ain't even done with the night. 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 Hey, thank you. We're Island Jack, and we're happy to be back. Stevie's gonna sing one. Jimmy Buffett, little Fairweather music.